I've been using the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR gaming PC for a few months now, and I must say, it has been an absolute game changer for my gaming experience. From the moment I unboxed it, the sleek design and RGB lighting caught my eye, setting the stage for what was to come. Performance-wise, this PC is a beast. The Intel Core i9 processor, paired with the GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card, delivers stunning visuals and buttery smooth gameplay. Whether I'm diving into the latest AAA titles or exploring VR worlds, the system handles everything with ease. The 16GB DDR5 RAM ensures that multitasking is a breeze, and I haven't experienced any lag or stuttering, even with multiple applications running in the background. The SSD is another highlight, providing lightning-fast load times and ample storage for my game library. Booting up the system and launching games is almost instantaneous, which is a huge plus for someone like me who values efficiency. Setting up the PC was straightforward, and the built-in Wi-Fi has been reliable, maintaining a strong connection even during intense online gaming sessions. Overall, the CyberPower Gamer Xtreme VR has exceeded my expectations. It's powerful, reliable, and visually appealing, making it a fantastic choice for any serious gamer.